Here we are, back again with the TE310R Husqvarna 2013. Problem we're having with this bike now is a smashed radiator, so I'm gonna put on some stronger guards. I don't know, we got some fluid leaking. Bought these aluminum radiators, yeah, they look nice, beautiful, bro. But they're prima donnas, man. One whack and boom, you're gonna start leaking. So bought some guards we're gonna install. Alright, Aloha. Project TE310. Bike street legal, I got license plates and I'll be installing later. Okay, when removing the fuel tank, you guys already know how to remove the rear seat. Remove the fuel tank along with all of the shrouds. You don't have to take the shrouds off, bro. Just take the shrouds off of, you'll see. Anyway, drain your fuel. Use a hose, receptacle. Always have fire extinguisher handy. You're working with fuel. Okay, yeah, so basically to remove this is 5 screws, yeah. Get the one over here. They're all 8 millimeters. Put them down on a white or whatever. You can use blue, yellow, purple, whatever turns you on. 5 screws. This one, the one that right here, this panel is gonna come off. It's just gonna slide right off. And then for your fuel line disconnection, brother, they get one crazy freaking looking clamp over there, so I'm not gonna even fuss around with that thing. I'll go on the other side, but same thing. You unscrew this one, because it's holding the back down. This, I don't know how this, but I'm gonna tie that down. Oh my gosh. Here we go, and this one again should come. This thing, oh, you're not a screw over here holding them to the horn assembly right inside here. You see them right there. Okay, get that off. Okay, so get a screw, shove it in there, tighten it down so the rest of the fuel doesn't leak. I mean, there's still some in there, quite a bit in there actually. Made a big mess over here. Didn't want to show you all that. Make myself all embarrassed here. But yeah. Then you're gonna take this off, another 8 millimeter. Because I was looking at it, and you might as well just kind of tilt it over like this. No use taking off all of this stuff because we're just gonna remove the radiators. Yeah. Let's look. Okay, so I got the right side off. Make sure you take off your rubber bushings and the mounts. They don't come with the new GPI radiators. High performance. Oh, bro, these radiators are really good. However, I have to remind you, they're very, very brittle. You bang them one time, they're gonna crack. But they're very high performance. You're gonna ride a bike like this, you might as well ride the best, bro. Alright, I'll see you guys. Get everything reattached over here. Aloha. When you're doing the repair, look for any burnt. This one didn't go through the wire, so I'm just gonna re-insulate it again. Check condition of hoses. Check condition of everything. Since you've got this off, because you don't want to be taking this all off again. Okay, check your hoses, make sure you don't see any signs of any leakage anywhere. Identify that quickly. It's gonna be white like this and gonna kind of have a droop down. I don't see any right here, so we're looking good. Okay, when installing the radiator, make sure you install this one first, because you're not gonna have enough room to wiggle around all of these wonderful electronic gadgetry we have here. This one is a sensor. It lets you know when water gets hot, and then it says, hey, I'm hot, and then it tells the fan, hey buddy, help me out. So the fan goes, okay, I'm gonna bust out my fan power and I'm gonna blow you down. That's what happens here. But you want to get this guy on first, okay? Thank you. Aloha. Smile. Even though you want to get a hammer. Love ya. Bye. Okay, so after you get your this one on, then you put this one on, and then you attach your fan with this screw right here, and then you attach your radiator mounts. Rule of thumb with these rubber grommets is when the rubber grommet comes to the edge of the washer, that is tight enough, okay? You don't want it to be ballooning out like a bulging disc, or you don't want to look like a wet noodle in there. Just the proper tension is when this rubber is flush with your washer. Aloha. Whoever, I don't know, I'm not going to say anything, but man, they really would smash these freaking wires and left wires dangling where they get burned. I'm going to tuck them all away and make this a beautiful day again. Bye.